Welcome to Did You Know? Today we are going to talk about 9 life changing habits for a happier life. Number 1, intake nutritious food. How to make it as a habit? Choose new or frozen leafy foods. Intend to eat 3 ounces of entire grain cereals, bread, rice, or pasta once every day. Include vegetables like carrot and sweet potatoes. Why to do this? It may assist you for living longer. It keeps your skin, teeth, and eyes healthy. It supports your muscles and increase your resistance by strengthening your bones. It brings down the chances of coronary illness, type 2 diabetes, and a few tumors. It helps in pregnancy and breastfeeding. Facts. Dietary guidelines state a balanced diet high in fruits, vegetables, protein, low fat dairy, and grains are what you need for ideal energy in a day. Number 2, keep company with great individuals. How to make it as a habit? Be particular in the company you keep. Develop genuine connections. Discover individuals more brilliant than you. Pay attention to your heart and your companions. Why to do this? It strengthens your reasoning and thought process. Positive individuals empower you, makes your life a more positive. Attracting and keeping good company support and motivates you to live a better life. Number 3, do meaningful things every day. How to make it as a habit? Build a wake up routine. Practice an interest or expertise. Practice self care. Do each thing in turn. Deal with your time like you treat your cash. Why to do this? A limitless supply of satisfaction. Finding direction and comfort through tough situations will be easy. Unending inspiration to add more value and achievements to life. Brings an incredible feeling of aliveness. Facts state that finding meaning inside every day lead to a more joyful and more significant life. Let's move on to the fourth one. Take better rest. How to make it as a habit? Stick to a rest plan. Focus on what you eat and drink. Why we are saying what you eat and drink? Because if we eat the food or drink, if we take the drink which doesn't suit our stomach, it creates a irritation, and finally it may not let us sleep on time. So that's why focus on what you eat and drink. Establish a relaxing climate. Remember actual work for your day to day schedule. Say goodnight to electronic gadgets. Why to do this? It sharpens your memory, boosts your mood, it maintains your heart healthy, it helps the body to develop self recovering mechanism. Facts. A better 7 to 8 hours of rest assists you with setting yourself up for a fruitful and energized day consistently. Number 5, become a good listener. How to make it as a habit? Make eye contact with the person with whom you're talking to. Try to listen but not to answer or question everything. Don't jump to conclusion in the middle. Maintain your calm levels while listening. Practice active listening. Don't go out of the topic, or don't do daydreaming while listening to any of the thing. Why to do this? It builds healthy connections. It encourages you to learn. It further develops choices, which leads to clarity. Worldwide Listening Association states that listening is a top ability required to achieve success in business. Not only in business, in general, in day to day life, whether you are a leader or a team leader, or if you're leading any of the team, or if you're leading your life, just listen instead of answering without listening to anything. Let's move on to the sixth one, healthy and clear brain. How to make it as a habit? Exercise with riddles or brain teasers. Make a to do list. Compose a journal or keep a blog. Close the door for negativity. Why to do this? Assist you with finding focus and direction. Clear mind makes it simpler to finish tasks on time, simpler to prioritize. Assist you with pushing through the question to understand better. Quickens your response time, builds your hearing and insight capacity. Boost your confidence. As per the study, a clear mind brings assurance to your life and it is the way to progress. Number 7. Keep your first promise of the day. How to make it as a habit? Be clear about your promise. Make sure what you really want from that promise. Accept the strength and flaws in you. Speak lovingly to yourself. Follow the golden rule. Be consistent. Why to do this? Great for motivation and success. Helps to build trust in self. Keeps on track to achieve your life goals. Facts. A promise can go a long way in home connections and a commitment to follow through on your word. Number 8. Improve your spiritual health. How to make it as a habit? Look for deeper meanings. Try yoga. Try more. Travel more. Meditate often. Why to do this? Greater psychological well being with less depression, hypertension. Facts. Spiritual health increase human capacity and creates a balance between internal human possibilities. Now, which habit you want to try? Don't forget to comment and let us know which habit you want to try. Also, if you have any suggestions for us for any of the video you want us to make, please comment. Before we close this video, let us tell you consistency leads to habits, habits leads to happy life. So be consistent, and we are trying to be consistent as well. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. Have a great day.